Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the star stitch. Star stitch is a gorgeous stitch. It's quite dense and thick, and I suppose it looks a little bit complicated, but it really isn't. It's just worked across 2 rows over and over again. So we're going to start with our foundation chain. You want to chain even a number of chains. So start with a slip knot and now chain any even number of chains. For this tutorial I'm going to chain 20. So I now have my chain of 20 and we're going to start with our star row. So to start, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, yarn over, pull through and keep the loop on your hook. We're going to get into the next chain along. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to carry on until we have 6 loops on our hook. So again, into next chain along, yarn over, pull through, next one, insert, yarn over, pull through. So now we have 5, so one last one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. So now we have 6 chains on our hook. We're going to yarn over, turn our hook down and pull through all the chains like so. To close this loop, we're going to yarn over and pull through. And that's our first star. So for the next star and all subsequent stars, first again we're going to want 6 loops on our hook, but the second one is worked a little bit differently. First we're going to insert our hook into the center of this star, yarn over, pull through. Then our next loop's going to come inserting our hook under the last strand of the star like so, yarn over, pull through. Then we'll go into the base of our star, yarn over, pull through, and then into the next 2 chains along to give us 6 loops. So into the next chain and into the next one along. So again, now we have 6 chains on 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over, turn your hook down, pull through all the loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through to secure it. So that's our second star. We're going to carry on like this for the length of our foundation chain. So one more time, insert your hook into the center of the star, yarn over, pull through. Now underneath this last bit of the star here, then into the base of our star, and then into the next 2 chains along. 1, 2. And again, as soon as we have 6 loops on our hook, going to yarn over, turn our hook down, pull through all the loops, and yarn over, pull through to secure it. So let's carry on. So into the center, under the last leg, into the base, and into the next 2 chains along. Now we have 6, yarn over, pull through all, chain to secure it. I'll see you at the end of the row. So I'm at the end of my row and I'm now going to complete my last star. And to finish the row, we're just going to insert a hook into the center, then into the base. So we have 3 loops on our hook. Going to yarn over and pull through all. That completes our first row. To get onto our second row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work over. And the second row is very simple. Second row is 2 half double crochets into the centers of each of these stars. So we're going to do half double crochet, we yarn over, insert our hook into the center of the star, yarn over, pull through, so we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all, and another one into the same space, yarn over, insert your hook into the center, pull through, yarn over, pull through all loops, and locate your next center, which is here, and again 2 half double crochets into the center. And the next one, and we'll carry on like that for the rest of the row. I'll see you at the end. So I'm nearly at the end. I'm going to do 2 half double crochets into my last center, 1 and 2, and to complete this row of half double crochets, we're going to stick last double crochet into this space here. So in the top of the previous stitch, gonna yarn over, insert our hook here right in the corner, pull through and pull through all. So that's our second row. So our next row is going to, and as you can see when you turn it, this last row completed the top halves of our stars here. So to get onto our star row again, we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and again we're going to want 6 loops on our hook. So inserting our hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull through, into the next one along, now into the base here, going underneath 2 loops, got 4, and next one along, 5, and the next one along, 6, and again yarn over, turn your hook down, go through all your loops and secure your star. And then it carries on like in the first row. We're going to insert into the center, under the last leg here, into the base of our star, and 2 stitches along, which gives us 6. We carry on and secure our star, and again into the center, under the last leg, into the base, and next 2 stitches gives us 6. Pull through all and secure your star. And just carry on like this. I'll see you at the end again to show you how we finish off. So I'm completing my last star again. Into the base, under the next stitch and the last stitch. Pull through all and secure. And again, to finish the star row, we're going to insert our hook into the center, then into the base here, and pull through the 3 loops on our hook and chain 1. Turn your work over, and as previously, we're going to be inserting 2 half double crochets into the centers of the star. I'm nearly at the end. This is my last 2 half double crochets. And again, to complete our half double crochet row, we're going to stick one here into the corner. So go right in the corner here. And pull through. And to get onto our star row again, we're gonna chain 3. There we are. This is the star stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.